Fixed Android phone not connecting to Wi-Fi. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if our Android phone is not connecting to Wi-Fi, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If your device is not connecting to Wi-Fi, first of all you want to make sure it is not the Wi-Fi issue itself, so you might want to restart your router, call your internet service provider and see if that helps you. But if the issue is only happening and persisting on your very own device, the issue could also be with your device as well. Now first of all, what you might want to do is you can just try to forget your current Wi-Fi network and just try to reconnect again to see if that helps you. So go to the Wi-Fi settings, then tap the forget tab that you can find over here and try to reconnect using your password. Once done, you can open up the settings application. Then you can simply look for software update. Now you can go to about phone and go to software information and check if you have any sort of updates available and see if that helps you. If not, what you can also do is go to general depending upon the phone, go to reset. Then you can just try to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or you can reset all settings. This will not erase your device, it will only erase the settings of your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data and so on. So you can try to reset that, and last but not the least, just try to restart your device to see if that actually helps you. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.